Let's y'all rate this hoe 1 out of 10. I know y'all probably know cars. I'm just not getting into the car shit. This hoe a 10? It's a 9.
Hell yeah.
It's stock too. This bitch feel me. Ain't did much to this hoe yet.
You do some stuff to it, it's gonna be
Exactly. I'm trying to make this hoe loud, all type of shit. It don't really gotta be like, the speed ain't gotta be tuned or nothing. This hoe already fast as fuck, gang. Like, bitch,
have you already topped that on? Like?
I only went to 150, but it's 200 on the dash though. But yeah, this bitch raw. Appreciate y'all though. Let's see what type of car they got in her. Who the fuck Lowe's here?
I told Jerry I said that.
Monster truck. On it. What you think, T-White? Bitch smooth?
Cool, I ain't know.
Even though, look at this bitch. This so hard.
That's on 713.
What's that? That bitch crazy. The flash on. Show the engine. You know what this is or no?
It's a scat. Hey, no, for real. Buddy got a lot of tones. I hit everything. Tone, the way the valve.
That shit crazy. Well, he always drive with the hood off?
I get it. Hey, it's your car.
Who car this is?
What car is this?
This your car? You always got the hood off? Yeah. That bitch crazy.
Yeah, I'm OCD when it comes to this.
That bitch crazy. Yeah, he bitch ass. That's bogus. That shit can't be safe. All right, let's go now. Let me see. Oh, I know they got some shit in there. What is this?
Like a big son.
It's all hard. That's all hard. You know, lights. What a Dow. Oh, that's a Nissan. This so hard, nigga. Look at the rims. This bitch raw as fuck. Nah, this bitch hard. Even though, look at the tail lights, see, White? This bitch raw. I got like this hoe hard. It's some Fast and Furious cars for real. What type of Nissan is that, bro? That's what I thought the Scatterman was. They got drinks? What they got drinks? Nah, this so hard. What else?
Got twin turbo.
That was crazy. What is that? Oh, choose Red Bull and soda base. What is this?
I am out of Red Bull.
Okay.
I'm also out of, it's like a Red Bull drink mixed with flavoring. If y'all want, I can do it with beer.
Oh, hell no. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't like beer. Oh, this Corvette trim. This so hard. Escalade where? This so hard. Right now, this bitch trim. I like Stingrays. Them bitches. Stingrays. There's a Cadillac right there? No, I don't know where he is. What, they got a tow truck over here.
I'm not trying to fuck their time.
Man, I wish that nigga Vontae was here. My nigga Vontae, he know all about the cars and shit. Hello? Where you at? Alright, bet. I think it's, yeah, they got hella cars. You know. Blackwing. Only thing I don't like about Blackwing is the interior. Interior ass. What I say? He be doing, yeah. I'm going here real quick. Bro, the Blackwing interior ass compared to BMW and Benz. Bro, it's 12 here, 12 here. Police. How many? It's only one? And two of them? I guess everybody leaving now, shit. I don't know. Come on, it's black people down. Come on, black the fuck out too. They black the fuck out. Look at this Stingray. Do anybody else here got a BMW? Hell, I ain't seen no BMW here. I ain't seen no other BMW. I think I got the only BMW this whole. That's not a Stingray? My fault. I don't see no other BMWs. This is a track car?
Yeah, tracky.
Tow truck. You want some leave us alone? But I think I got the only BMW at this hole.
Track car. They got that joint.
This bitch, yeah, track cars, them motherfuckers fast as fuck. This shit, ain't like Mustang so ass. That nigga gone. That shit not even no M though. That's a 340i look like. You know what? Hold on, let me see. page. I'm gonna see what they is. I'm right now. Yo, hey, who car this is? Is your shit? What's a BMW this is?
It's a 435i.
435. I just got a M3.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn,
I'm trying to like, feel me, network with other people in the city who got BMWs and shit.
Yeah.
Feel me? So I don't really got them many people. Let me get your, I be streaming this shit. Let me get your Instagram, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, it's right here. I just bought this, M3.
Oh, you just pulled up in there, huh?
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, that bitch nice, bro.
Appreciate it.
I want the older model M3s.
Which one? What year?
Well, I think it's 2016.
20. I don't even know. So I don't know shit. I'm just not getting into this shit for real.
Yeah, I got you,
You know
bro.
what I'm saying? Bro, no. You did something to your shit, like you tuned it up or whatever, like.
Yeah.
What all you did?
I got like the basic shit, downpipe tune, front intercooler. All that fun shit.
Yeah, I ain't did nothing yet. My shit stopped. So I'm trying to make my shit down, pipe tune, all that.
Hey, it looks good though. That color's hard.
Appreciate it. Bro, now he want that F80. They say he want the F80. You want the F80?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm right there, bro.
Yeah, it's just Yeah. I need to find like somebody who do BMW cars and shit too though. So you know somebody?
Yeah.
You work on BMW and shit. I don't know. You go carbon fiber on this hoe too. My shit came with a carbon fiber lip.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I fucking hit a nasty ass bump. That's why I don't have my bumper no more. But I had a badass carbon fiber lip.
Yeah.
On that bitch, bro. Yeah. Split right in half. I was pissed.
Oh yeah. That shit expensive, bro.
Hell yeah.
I got lucky that my shit came with it.
Yeah, that lip was like $800. I was pissed when it snapped, bro.
Damn.
I still have that shit sitting in my garage.
They say he cool as hell. Oh, bro, now. Yeah, so I gotta get a downpipe, tune all that shit. Ooh, I'm trying to make my shit loud.
That shit easy to make fast, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I was trying.
You need this downpipe tune for those, bro.
That's smooth. How much that shit is?
Oh, bro. So, for those, it's probably gonna be a little more expensive. But
Yeah. Man.
I'm gonna throw a rough estimate to make. If you want it to be fast, probably a few grand at most.
A band?
A few grand at
I
most.
feel like 2, 3?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
That's at most, bro.
Yeah, tight.
My shit's a lot harder because I got the M55, so it's
Yeah.
bitch to make fast. But
Type shit. Okay, bet.
Yeah, you got AP, chat. Yeah, you got AP.
They say he got AP.
You got AP, yeah.
Nah, this shit dancing.
Yeah. White boy popping it though, y'all chill.
Yeah, nah, for real though. Y'all funny as hell. You from out here?
I'm from Pasadena.
Pasadena?
Yeah.
You been fucking with cars for a minute?
Yeah.
Type shit. I'm transitioning my content to like more lifestyle shit. So I'm getting into car scenes and all that shit.
Well,
So
this is the scene to be in, bro. This is everywhere, every night, bro.
shit, so that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to pull up to all the car meets.
Like as we going, like as we right here, like another meet.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm trying to go to all the car meets. I'm trying to be every one of them hoes. So
Another like this.
hit me on Instagram anytime.
I don't know. I know. There's probably a few other people posting, but I'm not sure.
Type shit.
Nah, but I could send you all the accounts.
Yeah,
All the
just send me all that
host
shit.
tweets and shit.
Shit, sure.
Yeah, there's a takeover.
Oh, your shit loud? Like your shit loud? Yeah, let me hit her.
That car they got a takeover downtown.
Downtown? Tonight?
It was posted what? 18 minutes ago.
I know. Damn. That one. That bitch crazy. Nah, that bitch crazy. That bitch sounds
I thought it was
so
gonna
sick.
fire.
Nah, that bitch hard.
Yeah, car just didn't like it right.
Yeah, I gotta get that shit. I gotta get that tune.
Yeah, bro. Fucking cheap way to do it. I think.
You gotta get plugged in with like some
Just get MHD, bro.
custom.
MHD, what that is?
MHD is an online shit. You do it all through your phone.
Okay.
Yeah. But that's if you want a cheap option. You always just go and dyno in that bitch.
I want the best option. I don't
Dyno
care.
in that bitch.
Dyno?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't really care. Like, I want to spend however much it is because I'm getting content out of it. So I want to make sure I spend the most money out of it.
Hit me up. I'll send you some people that can tune your shit.
Yeah. Hey, it's good.
Got no flame.
Bro, I'm gonna move my car because everybody leaving this shit. Yeah, I don't want nobody leaving my shit. That's a bet, bro. Nice. What's your name?
Cody.
Cody. Kazi, bro. Nice to meet you. Just hit me on the ground, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
So. They hit my shit, I'm be tweaking.
That ain't no cheap sound. That
bitch sounds tough. Y'all got empty fast as fuck. They see the laws, they gone.
Just like black people. I thought we don't like that.
Yeah, nah. They got the fuck on. Get a valve versus panic is exhaust. I don't even know what the fuck that mean.
How you sit down?
Yeah, I'm doing this. Yeah, I'm break that. Mally be breaking these hoes by accident. Niggas be doing overly strong shit.
Yeah, cut that air on, my nigga. It's hot. Dips really hard.
Yeah.
Like really, really hard. So I was like,
yeah.
I like turning your car.
Appreciate it.
Just so you don't rip off that fucking splitter.
Yeah, appreciate it. Good looking, gang. Your real name.
Yeah, he is real. So is that.
Yeah. But nah, he is though. Really the young.
That bitch get sideways, Jack. That bitch get sideways, Jack.
That bitch do it.
You know what I mean? Sideways, like sideways. Let's see what they talking about it's a takeover somewhere. What the fuck is that?
Man, fries they life. Fries. I think that's the shit when niggas be drifting this shit, gang. That's when niggas be hitting cars and shit, bro.
I haven't hit the car when the laws start coming.
That too.
So I have to chase it.
That too.
That's the last option in the world.
Alright, let me park up. Wait, what we going? I'm gonna take you back to your car.
What you about to do?
I'm finna go to the crib. I ain't really got shit else planned for tonight. Shit. Go celebrate Ro's birthday real quick.
Wait, you wanna get?
We wanna go to the Dome.
I'm tired of that. I ain't been to the club in like since I don't know when, but I'm just tired of all this shit.
Bitch, I don't even know where I picked you up from.
Like, I'm around the corner from me.
They got them cars out the street. It ain't shit. Bro, we not satisfied. Gang, what y'all want me to do? It ain't nothing to do.
It's really ain't nothing to do. He supposed to went with little baby chat, but I don't know what this nigga was thinking of that.
But like,
I ain't going side by side.
I can't stream.
Yeah, side by side.
Cause all they doing is going to the club. Like, I'm called K-Rich right now, but all they doing is going to the club, man. Like,
they ain't doing shit.
It's like, that shit ain't.
Then you can't stream with them anyway.
They just going to the club. I'm not streaming the club. Yo,
broski.
What you on, K-Rich? You ain't never hit me back, bitch ass nigga.
I ain't gonna lie. I went to a little pool party. I just came and took a nap. I left you woke up though.
Yeah, shit. I'm streaming right now, but I ain't really got shit to stream. I went to a car meeting and shit, but I'm probably finna end and go out. Cause I don't want to stream the club.
I'm gonna go to the spot that started to eat.
Just text it to me.
It's like I'm going to the all white party I gotta go to. And after that, I'm going to area.
Alright.
Bad Habits open tonight?
Wait, where I go?
Oh shit.
Bad Habits, yeah, hell yeah, they're open tonight.
Who you with Marty?
Nah, I'm with my nigga T White. I ain't with Molly. Molly working right now with this show. He recording for this show.
Oh, alright, bet.
Yeah.
Alright.
I bet. Just let me wait. All white party. Fuck y'all got going on.
Yeah, I know, right?
Alright, bro. Alright.
Whatever you want.
This nigga, bro.
That niggas pulled up right there at the gas station.
Oh, the car meet niggas.
Yeah.
Them niggas don't know how to go. Them niggas don't know how to go home. Them niggas don't know how to go home.
Man, what that little bougie nigga thought he was a shit when he asked him about his car in the hood. Like,
Nigga, bitch.
fuck you, why I tell that nigga thought he was bougie? Go get ride well. I just ain't shot. Fucking stupid.